Building the life of your dreams is hard and often painful, which is why so few people achieve it. Consider the story of two brothers in communist China, stripped of everything and forced into labor. The younger brother had an okay life tending cattle, but this barely tolerable existence led to complacency. The older brother faced literal hell, yet he chose to devote every fiber of his being to changing himself, teaching himself to read by candlelight. Now let's look at the science behind this drive. Your brain has a metaphorical energy meter fueled by dopamine. It's the chemical that motivates you to act in anticipation of a reward. You start each day with a full bar, but you must choose which furnace to feed. Most people burn their fuel in the furnace of waste, mindless scrolling, drinking, and instant gratification. This leaves nothing for the furnace of purpose, which is harder to reach but provides a persistent warmth and success. To hack your brain to crave hard things, follow these 5 steps. First, awareness. Write down where you spend your dopamine daily. You can't change what you don't realize. Second, elimination. Remove distractions. Use the Mount Everest method. Create an environment where success is your only option. Third, timing. Do your hardest task first thing in the morning when your tank is full. Even 5 minutes can trigger a flow state. Fourth, rewards. Be strategic. Use Pavlovian associations like only playing a favorite game while doing a difficult task. Fifth, recovery. You must rest. Without recovery, you run on fumes and face total burnout. 60 years later, the older brother earned his PhD and works his dream job at the Federal Reserve, while the younger brother, broken by addiction, languishes in a nursing home. The difference was where they burned their fuel. To aid your own journey, tools like Unriddle AI can help you synthesize dense information in seconds. It acts like a personal assistant for your furnace of purpose. If you want to master dopamine management, subscribe for more insights. Smell you later?